The auspicious moment is here. We request the dignitaries to carry out the court inaugurations.
I'm not going to speak for you on this I would like to introduce you to the person on whose name this court has been built. Mr. B.C. Alva was an honorable cricketer who played for India in 1952. Unfortunately, he is the only family member who has played any sports at national level. So we dedicate this court to Mr. B.C. Alva.
Our Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor and all the dear students. It is an amazing stadium, indoor stadium which has been built. I wish I was a student to utilize this facility. In our days it was all mud grounds, and we used to really work hard either in the cricket or any field. But here is a field which is presented to you by our Chancellor and Pro-Chancellor, and our wish is you will have to utilize it. 4:30 you finish your classes, immediately you come and see that you play, and we wish you all the well. And next year in all the intercollegiate tournaments we must win the trophy. We wish you all the very best, and may God bless you.
Good evening everyone. We've just inaugurated the B.C. Alva Memorial Indoor Stadium. It's an effort by everyone at the university, especially the sports team led by Dr. Murli and Karunakar. I think they pushing us to get this stadium was a big deed that they have done. I think all of you all really need to give a big hand to Murli and his team. All the best to everyone. Thank you.
And other dignitaries of our universities who has helped us